Welcome back to Gabler Studios. Tonight we was able to find at least 2 more of these to see if we can't get the collection complete. So, go ahead.
Make sure to like and subscribe also before I open it. Man, look at the alien boy again. At least we got another box.
Oh well. More aliens to bear, I guess.
Hopefully this one is it. Oh, yes. We only got this one to go.
Yep.
Which one? I want this one.
Yep, we want
It's like
that one.
purple. It's like purple gems.
It is, ain't it?
The gems. I think we have one of these. So this.
That guy,
Shield?
yeah.
I
Shield?
said
No,
this-
that's how. What you're thinking of is from the previous collection.
Oh, okay. We got the camera ready. Hey, look it. He's taking a picture, and you
Oh, got his
don't you
backpack.
dare screenshot this or else.
Yeah, that's funny. Okay, open the
I
next.
only showed this before.
Okay, open the next one.
Okay, let's open the next one. Yeah. Putting a check mark on it. But only because, man,
What's that?
what?
I actually wanted another one of those. Cause I can make a deal with Uncle David for that. Score.
I don't really care about this one anyways. At least we got one for a trade.
Yeah, we got one for trade because we can make a video on that one. Because he said he has one, so we make one for trade.
And then that means we don't have to buy that. And then we could trade them for that.
Yeah. Then we'll have the whole collection.
Imagine that he like opened another box and imagine he has another one.
Mm-hmm.
It'll be pretty fun.
But we did take the one off of shield off of this one and built a different one, which we have upstairs at the moment.
I was just trying to get this open. You're still filming. Oh, yeah, we don't ignore our reels. I'm showing this one more time.
You really
It's
like that
shiny.
thing, don't you?
What?
That thing.
The card? Yeah, and it's this. Hopefully that feels like it.
Oh. At least sort of worked out for us. Because I need the rest of this inside the stove.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, we need those.
I was drawing inside it.
Yeah, that's funny.
Okay, I'm gonna draw a cat. I'm gonna see what you guys. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna draw a cat. I'm gonna draw like, I don't know. I'm gonna draw a little
May have to.
thingy.
Anyways, that goes in front of this.
If you wonder what you guys thinking about, like and subscribe, and tell me what I'm making.
Use that with Uncle David for a trade.
Yeah.
Okay. So we didn't have an opportunity to get the one we need. Have an opportunity with our my brother, or uncle, because he may have an extra one.
It's me.
But he needed this one.
If you don't know, guys,
We
how to
will
spell it,
go and make that
Yay.
video when
Yeah.
it comes.
It's a bad either.
So, thanks for watching.
Bye. Like and subscribe.